So what questions can we ask customers to quote on the right refrigerator? First up, what is the specific application of the refrigerator? If we know what they're storing, it's biological samples, vaccines, or chemicals, we can understand what direction to go, whether we go with a Antec entry-level farmer store or a farmer safe or high accuracy Artico refrigerator or a Natex refrigerator. What is the required storage and capacity in liters? This is a common question for most of the temperature chambers that we supply. What is your desired set point temperature? Do you need adjustable shelving or specialized storage racks? It's always nice to ask the question to get an idea of what the customer is doing and just to see what options we can offer them. What is the maximum weight the refrigerator will need to support per shelf? This may not be so common, but I've seen instances where customers load the shelves, but obviously the shelves bend and over time create problems. So if you walk into the lab and you see they're having this issue, then it's probably worth discuss a better option. By the way, we do have an option with an Article where we get a higher load capacity shelf. So we have the option of Y shelves and perforated shelves, which are generally a higher load capacity. So they can store more per shelf. Do you need temperature alarms or remote monitoring? We can offer the Lasca, or we can offer a Vizsla complete system. Depends on what the customer needs. Do you need any onboard temperature data logging? Do you require a test port for external monitoring? This is important as well because a lot of customers are running probes to the side of the doors, which affect the temperature fluctuations. So we can provide test ports. We generally try to order the standard. In the past, some of the models, like especially the Farmer Store series, I think it was, that did not come with pots, but we now ask them to include it as standard. But you can check up with your customer for that. Do you require a glass or solid door? Do you have any space or size limitations? Now, I think site surveys before the quote is an underutilized tool. I guess walking into the lab and understanding where your customer wants to actually put the refrigerator, it's basically that can be a value proposition technique for almost any product we supply because customers are always limited with floor space. And when you're there, you can utilize the knowledge you've learned or the knowledge you've attained from these videos. And most of our external dimensions are on our website to give them the best solution. When we get requests, especially those requests that come from websites or emails, customers always default to what they know: 360 liters, 500, 600 liters, or double door. When you walk into the lab, you can probably find more solutions. Important to note that.